Today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 4, operation on fraction. In this chapter we have learned mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and then how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper into mixed. We have done the addition and subtraction of the same fraction, mixed fraction, and now we are going to learn the fraction which has to be shown on a number line. Today we are going to learn how we have to show the fraction on a number line.
Showing fractions on the number line. It is easy to mark the fraction 4 upon 10 and 7 upon 10 on the number line because on scale every centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. In the first unit, the fourth mark from 0 shows the fraction 4 upon 10. The seventh mark of the 10 equal parts after 3 between the numbers 3 and 4 shows the fraction 7 upon 10.
Okay, mute yourself. Now next, roll number 8. I have unmuted you.
Good morning, teacher. My voice is clear.
Yes, good morning. You are going to read once again the same which she has read.
Okay, teacher. Showing fraction on the number line. It is easy to mark the fraction 4 upon 10 and 7 upon 10 on the number line because on the scale every centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. In the first unit, the fourth mark from 0 show the fraction 4 upon 10. The seventh mark of the 10 equal parts after 3 between the number 3 and 4 shows the fraction 7 upon 10.
Okay, thank you. Mute yourself.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, student, now you can see over here, I have made a scale. In that scale, numbers are written from 0 to 10 and some fractions are also marked. Now we are going to learn how you are going to note it down or write down the fraction on a number line. Now you can see this is our number line in a scale starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last number is 10. Here small lines are also there. See 1, 2, you can count the small line, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 के बाद एक dark line है, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 dark line is there. So the small lines are also there, and after that small line, one big line is also there. From 0 to 1, there are how many lines? Count and tell me. From 0 to 1, there are how many small lines? Yes, from 0 to 1, very good. There are 10 small line. There are 10 small line from 0 to 1. Now it is said that it is easy to mark the fraction. Now it is easy to mark the fraction 4 upon 10. Why 4 upon 10? Because the last number is 10. In a scale, the last number is 10. A small line. See, you can see the arrow over here. It is on the fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये एरो कौन से लाइन पे है? फोर्थ लाइन में. So what you will write? You will write 4 upon 10. Fraction, how you are going to write? 4 upon 10. Then the next, and 3 7 upon 10. Now 3 is our integral part and 7 upon 10 is our fractional part, which I have explained you. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a fraction with integral part and a fractional part. So 3 7 upon 10. Why we have written 3 7 upon 10? Because 3 and 4 के बीच में, that is one line having after 7. So you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 7 line is in between 3 and 4. So that's why the integral part we don't know. So we will write 3 7 upon 10. 3 7 upon 10. So it is easy to mark the fraction 4 upon 10 and 3 7 upon 10 on the number line, because on the scale every centimeter is divided into 10 equal part. Now every centimeter, हर एक सेंटीमीटर के इधर कितने पार्ट्स है? 10 parts है छोटे छोटे. In the first unit, the fourth mark from 0 show the fraction 4 upon 10. Now first only we have seen that it is showing the number 4 by 10. The seventh mark, now this is the seventh mark. Why? Because the small line is on the seventh mark, seventh one. So it will be in between 3 and 4. 3 and 4 के बीच में है, but it is in the 7th upon 10. So we will write as 3 7 upon 10. You can see more example. Now I have shown you another example. Now you can see over here, just wait a minute. Now you can see the more one example. Let us show the fraction 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3 on a number line. On a number line, we have to show the fraction, that is 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3. You can see over here on a number line I have made and I have divided into 3 equal parts. Why I have divided into 3 equal parts? You can see over here. We can see the number line will start from 0. Then one line, then after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have written. But in fraction it is given 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3. Just wait a minute. I just show through a blackboard. I'll just share the blackboard. Okay, the question was 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3. Now this is the question. We have to show the numbers, this number on a number line. So you have to make a number line. Then starting with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. This you have to write because on scale it's already mentioned. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first number is 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 means, now 0 means 0 upon 3. 0 means it should be 0 upon 3. Next one line if you draw, it will become 1 upon 3. It will become 1 upon 3. Next line 2 upon 3. Next line will be 2 upon 3. And this line will be of 3/3. Why I have written 1? See, if we cut 3/3 means 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So instead of 3/3, we have to write down 1 instead of 3/3. If we divide also, see, if we divide 3 by 3, 3 ones are 3. 0 will come. So instead of 3/3, we have to write down 1. So in this number line, you have to show the following fraction. The first fraction was 2/3. So 0/3. Now जो नीचे का डिनोमिनेटर दिया है वही से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. So 0/3, 1/3, then 2/3, then this will be of 3/3. Now the next number will be my 4/3. Next number will my 4/3. So this also I have shown you 4/3. This also I have shown you 2/3. Now next will be, now I have shown you this also and this also. Now next is 7/3. But directly we will not jump. We will show next number is 5/3. Now here I have written 2. Why? Because it will become 6/2. Now if we divide, now 6/2, if I divide 6 by 2, what I should get? 2 3s are, just wait a minute. Okay, now see here. 5/3, then 6/3. I have written 2 by mistakenly. It will be 6/3. So if we divide 6 by 3, so 3 2s are 6. So instead of 6/3, what I have written over here, I have written 2. If it is cuttings, so that time we have to write the main answer. That is, this is our main answer. So instead of 6/3, I have written 2. Now after that will be which number? 7/3, which they told us to find out. So here will be 7/3. Here will be 7/3. So in this number line, you have to show 2/3, 4/3 and 7/3. So 3, the denominator, whichever is the denominator, from that only the number will start. 0/3, then 1/3, 2/3, 4/3. So in this way, the number will start. If it is cutting, that time you will write the cutting answer. Okay, now I'll just rub once again and I will show you one more example so that you will be clear how you are going to mark the numbers, mark the fraction on the number line. Now one more example I will explain you. My next question is 1/4, 3/4, 5/4 and 9/4. This is my question. Now what I will do first, now I want answers from your side also. I will make a number line. Now the denominator is what? The denominator is what? Very good. The denominator is 4. So the number line will start from the number line. Very good. The number line will start from 0. So I should mark over here and write over 0. Clear? Clear? Now 0. Now next number what I should write? Next number what I should write? Very good. 1. Only 1 or yes, 1/4. I should write, line draw करना है 1/4. So this we have find out. So this I'll making box. हमने ये find out किया है. Okay. Now next number what I should write after 1/4? Very good. After 1 upon 4, I should write 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 हमको ढूंढना नहीं है. What we have to find? Okay. Now next, after 2 upon 4, after 2 upon 4, what I should write? Okay, very nice. After 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. This we have to find out. So I make a box also to show that this also we have find out. Now 3 upon 4 के बाद में, very good, I should write 4 upon 4. Okay. After 4 upon 4, after 4 upon 4, very nice. After 4 upon 4, I should write 5 upon 4. Okay. So this also I have find out 5 upon 4. Okay. Now next 5 upon 4 के बाद में, very good. In this way only you have to find out. Next 6 upon 4. Okay. Next 6 upon 4 के बाद में, very good. 7 upon 4. Okay. After 7 upon 4, very good. 8 upon 4. Okay. Next, very good. Next will be 9 upon 4. This also we have to find out. See, last number is what? 9 upon 4. So जहां तक बड़ा number है 9 upon 4, that till there we have to solve. So we have find out 1 upon 4 here. We have find out 3 upon 4. We have find out 5 upon 4 and then 9 upon 4. So that means here you have completed the sums. Here only you have completed the sums. Okay, student, now we will start with our practice set 11. Now the question is, what fraction do the point A and point B show on the number line below? Now this you have to solve in your textbook only, and you are going to give me the answers because I have explained you so many examples regarding this type of sums. Now just wait a minute, I make the screen big. Okay, now what fraction do the point A? Now point A and point B is shown over here. Shown over here. You have to write down which number will shown on the point A and B. Now explain here what is the denominator given. What is the denominator is given here? Yes, very good. It is given as 6. So the number will start from 0 upon 6. Then it will be 1 upon 6 already given. Now this second line will show which number? The second line will show which number? Very good. It will show 2 upon 6. Okay, now this line 2 upon 6 के बाद what will be written over there after 2 upon 6? Very good. After 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6. Very good. After 3 upon 6, next line is showing. Very nice. Students are giving me the proper answer, that is 4 upon 6. Now this empty box, what I should write? What I should write in empty box? Very good. 5 upon 6. So A क्या indicate कर रहा है हमको? A is indicating 5 upon 6. Next number is 6 upon 6. Now here will be what? Here will be very nice 7 upon 6. Okay, I'm not going to write it down. Now here 7 upon 6 के बाद में very good 8 upon 6. Okay, now after 8 upon 6, very nice 9 upon 6. Okay, now B will indicate which number, which fraction. Very good. B क्या होगा? 10 upon 6. B will be 10 upon 6. Clear? So they told us to give the answer of A and B. So A and B तक ही हमको find out करना है, आगे का नहीं करना है. Till A and B. I hope you people have understood first sum. Now the second one, same second one. Now in second one, what will be our denominator? In second sum, what will be our denominator? Very good, Jaya. It is 5. Why? Because this number is showing the denominator. So from that we can identify the denominator will be 5. So here will be, first will be 0 upon 5. Okay. Next will be after 0 upon 5. Here will be very nice 1 upon 5. Okay. Now next number, very nice 2 upon 5. Okay. Now in the box A के नीचे will be, very good. A के नीचे will be 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Now this will be, very good, 4 upon 5. Next, after 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. Okay, very good. After 5 upon 5, 5 upon 5 is already given. उसके बाद में, very nice, 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. Okay, now next B में क्या आएगा हमारा? What will be there in B? Very good, 7 upon 5. So till here only we have to solve. They told us A and B, तो वहां तक ही हमको solve करना है. I hope you people got a clear idea. Now student, we will start with practice set 12. The practice set 12 is of multiplying. It is very easy exercise. You have to multiply the numbers. I'll show you the first sum. See, in the first sum it is given 7 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 7 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. You have to multiply 7 by 1 and 5 by 4. So 7 into 1 will become 7 and 5 into 4 will become 5 4s are 20. So in the simplest way you are going to solve it, 7 by 1 and 5 by 4. Now the second question is written 6 upon 7 multiplied by 6 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Now 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 2 से, और 7 को 5 से. सीधा सीधा मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सीधा. 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12 and 7 5s are 35. 6 2s are 12, 7 5s are 35. Now same third also, 5 upon 9 should multiply by 4 upon 9. 5 upon 9 should multiply by 4 upon 9. Now 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4 upon 9 multiplied by 9. 5 4 is what? 5 4 is 20 and 9 9 is 81. 5 4 is 20 and 9 9 is 81. 1. So last one is sixth one, that is 9 upon 7 multiply by 7 upon 8. Now 9 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 7 से, और 7 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 9 से. So 9 7 is 63 and 7 8 is 56. Now here I have made the answer. I got answer that is 9 upon 8. Now how I got 63 upon 56. See, it is both the numbers are coming in the table of 7. आपको ये भी चीज ध्यान पे रखना है कि दोनों नंबर अगर एक ही टेबल में आता है, so you have to do the cuttings. What you have to do? You have to do the cutting. See, in first 7 upon 20. Now 7 is coming in 7 table only and 20 is coming in 10 table, 5 table. दोनों एक ही टेबल में नहीं आता है. That's why I made the answer that is 7 upon 20 only. But here in second also 12 upon 35. Now 12 and 35 is not coming in the same table. So their answer will be 12 upon 35 only. But 63 upon 56, ये दोनों एक ही टेबल में आता है. Which table? Let me know the answers from your side. Which table 63 and 56 is coming? एक ही टेबल में दोनों नंबर आता है. Very good, Archana. Very nice. You have given the right answer. That is the table of 7. Very nice. The table of 7. Now, how many times is 63 coming? 7. How many times is 63 is coming? Yes, 7. Very good. 7 nines are. So we will cut this. We will write here 7 nines are 63 and 7 8s are 63. So that's why I got the answer that is 9 upon 8. How I got 9 upon 8? You have to check each number whether that numbers are coming in same table. That number should be cut by the table and the final answer will be your 9 upon 8. Well, let it give us one more example like this only. If I write here 16 upon 12. Now 16 upon 12. Now ये दोनों number which table it is coming? In which table it is coming? 16 and 12. Very nice. It is coming in the table of 2 also and it is coming in the table of 4 also. So let us take first the table of 4. Now 4, how many times is 16? 4, how many times is 16? Very good. 4 4s are. So I will cut 16 and I will write 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. So my answer will be 4 upon 3. My answer. See, ऐसा नहीं करना है कि एक नंबर 4 से करना है और एक नंबर 2 से करना है. जब हम लोग कटिंग्स करते हैं तो दोनों नंबर एक ही टेबल से होना चाहिए. दोनों नंबर एक ही टेबल से होना चाहिए. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. So in this way we are going to solve the multiply. Multiply is when we are going to solve multiply, we have to solve straight by straight. 7 को 1 से, then 5 को 4 से. So here will be 7 1s are 7 and 5 4s are 20.